Greetings and welcome to this training video about how to use margin and padding mobile responsive setting for elements in funnels and websites. I'm very excited about this new update because the major pain point, which has been solved right now, is now there is no need to create multiple sections and keep different margins and paddings in multiple devices and hide it from one device. So let's show you how this has been just made easier. So you want to head over to your sites and funnels or websites. In this case, we choose funnel, edit the page and select your, so in this case, the element is an image. The orange frame right here. You can see on the right hand side, margin and padding, that whole area here. You can switch between mobile view and desktop view right now. Remember back in the day, we had to duplicate this and turn on and off mobile view or desktop view. Now we can just flick between those two and adjust the padding and the margin accordingly. So let's say this is the mobile view, and let's say we want to get rid of this space up here. So we want to set the 10 to 0. Also want to click on the blue box. This is the padding is set to 15. So let's move that up to 0 as well. In the green element, we also have a padding of 20. So let's reduce that a little bit. So now this looks very nice and aligned. Okay. So if we switch, so keep this in mind, padding 6px. If we switch to desktop view, it's 20, which is amazing. Don't forget to hit save. I hope you enjoyed this new feature and you're as excited as I am about the new padding and margin, which you can now adjust individually between desktop and mobile in funnels and websites. Thanks for listening to this video about how to use margin and padding mobile responsive setting for elements in funnels and websites. For more videos like this, or to make a request for additional training videos, please go to the main menu and add a comment ticket.